Hello, chemistry daily learners. Today we learn about some interesting topic. Yes, from the pictures we are also guess the what is you today learn about. Yes, from the vapor pressure and solvent and solution, which law is explained? Yes, Raoult law is explained. Raoult law is named by using the Francis Marie Raoult. He is a French chemist. He found the many experiments of when the substances were mixed in the solution, the vapor pressure of the solution decreased simultaneously. So he proposed by using the vapor pressure by means of Raoult's law. This law established in 1887 is also considered as the law of thermodynamics. Raoult law is also considered as what? Law of thermodynamics. So what's Raoult's law explained? Vapor pressure of ideal solution of non-volatile solute is equal to the vapor pressure of pure solvent at the temperature is multiplied by the mole fraction. Then we take a pure solvent and the solvent is mixed to then some non-volatile substance. Its pure solvents indicate by the pink color and green color indicates the solute molecule. Then by means of Raoult's law, the vapor pressure of the solution is equal to mole fraction of the solvent and vapor pressure of the solvent. So the X solvent is denoted as the explained by means of mole fraction of the solvent, and P degree solvent explains the vapor pressure of the pure solvent. So vapor pressure of the solution is equal to X solvent and mole fraction of solvent into vapor pressure of the pure solvent. For the more volatile substances, the vapor pressure is explained by the P1 and mole fraction is X1. So, for the more volatile substances, the vapor pressure of the solution is directly proportional to X2, X1. Similarly, for the less volatile substances also, vapor pressure of the less volatile substances is also directly proportional to X2. Then we draw a graph. X as the mole fraction and Y as the vapor pressure. And we construct a graph by using the straight points. From the graph, the left to right along the x-axis, when mole fraction decreases, vapor pressure also decreases. Then X2 mole fraction increases and also vapor pressure also increases. So it's directly proportional to vapor pressure. From the graph of Raoult's law, we understand the vapor pressure of the substances is directly proportional to mole fraction of the substances. And also there is some limitation in its Raoult's law because Raoult law is only for the ideal solution. But ideal solutions are very hard to find because they are very rare. So from the solution, they were mixing to same uniformly in terms of attractive forces. They are have some deviations. The deviations are negative or positive. If negative deviation occurs, vapor pressure is lower than expected. But if positive deviation occurs, the vapor pressure is higher than expected. So for example, if we have negative deviation is the mixture of chloroform and acetone or solution of water and hydrochloric acid. For the positive deviation, it includes the mixture of benzene and methanol or ethanol and chloroform. Then application, we have moved to application of Raoult's law. What's Raoult's law explain? Raoult's law explains the partial vapor pressure P1 is equal to P1 vapor pressure of the solvent and mole fraction of the solute. So can Raoult's law find the total vapor pressure of the solution? No, because by using the Raoult's law, we cannot find the total vapor pressure of the solution. So what have to do? We have to move for the Dalton's law is also known as the partial vapor pressure. By using for calculate the total vapor pressure of the solution, we have calculated the first partial vapor pressure by using the Raoult's law of individual solutions P1 and P2. Then using the Dalton's law, we have to add. So the total pressure is exerted equal to sum of the partial pressure of individual gases. So for the total vapor pressure of the solution is calculated by using the Dalton's law. It's also known as the partial pressure. So we have a clear idea about the Raoult's law. The Raoult's law is frequently asked in all the examinations. In next class, we see another interesting law about this picture and guess what the next law and comment the answer. For watching this interesting chemistry videos, subscribe the Chemistry Daily channel. Thank you.